So
You look like an angel. Look at.
I am an angel.
So she thinks. This is my mama. There, now we can see you better, kind of. Sort of. Not really. now we're
That's
black.
better. Now I look like one of those television shows where, like, I shouldn't be alive. You know how they don't show their face when they're talking about bad stuff. Never mind. It's inside.
It's like, yeah, I did kill him.
Oh, yeah. Hold on. Wait a minute. Get it back like that. Yeah. I got 15 years.
I didn't mean to butt rape him, but I did it anyway.
ooh,
Put that on there.
Why not? That's what they say. They didn't know who I was. They didn't
No,
see
I don't
me.
mean that.
That was
I mean
Charles.
this.
What?
Uh-oh.
What? They didn't see me. They don't know who I am.
We don't have to talk profanity to be funny.
The good Lord told us that.
That's right.
Listen to David
But-
Fraser.
Fine.
You stink yourself.
Okay, today, children, we're going to talk about fluffy bunnies using the bathroom in the forest.
Ooh, boog.
A bunny was going to the bathroom next to a bear, and he looks at the bear and he says, "Mr. Bear, do you ever get poop stuck to your fur?" And the bear looks at the rabbit and he says, "No, do you?" And the rabbit says, "No." So then he picks up the bunny and wipes his butt with him.
Only a Virginian would appreciate that joke.
A Virginian?
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was hilarious.
I was trying to get Father Time over here.
Father time.
Father time.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Wesley.
He's probably asleep.
He's wiggling his toes. He ain't asleep.
He wiggles his toes in his sleep.
You need to watch your mouth. Obama's watching this video. Ew, boog. I don't like him either. Somebody posted these Cheerios this morning. I take that back. Captain Crunch. Mary Kate and Ashley used to be so wholesome. Now they're getting older. They're starting to go bum-bums.
Oh, he's coming in to be in the video?
It's stunning. Why are y'all doing that?
Doing what?
Look.
Get 1 minute of fame.
No, that was actually like 10
Yeah.
seconds. His dirty words are gonna make him famous.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. This is some bull crap.
Did you hear the phone call?
No.
You haven't heard it yet?
What, for ring down?
What is it?
God,
You stink yourself. Don't call back here now.
You gotta hear it.
Oh no. What you talking about?
You will.
Die.
Yeah.
Of laughter. Now, is it positive? Are you absolutely sure that I will pee myself? Because everyone says you will pee yourself by laughing, and I never do it.
No, you won't pee yourself.
Then I don't want to hear it.
You might poop yourself, but you won't pee yourself.
I'll pass on that. You know I peed myself last time I was here? I'm not even gonna lie. You remember that?
No.
I did.
Here,
I was having a weird dream. Yes, you did. I come out and I said, "Mom, I'm embarrassed. I had an accident."
Oh yeah, that wasn't.
That was the
No.
last time I was here.
Who is it?
I hear music in the background.
Let me see.
Cut it
It's
off.
Capital One.
Capital One can slob on my knob. At least I didn't say the word. Who's that? Is that Jess?
Tell
Oh,
Jess to
15
be in here.
seconds of fame.
Come be in this video, Jess. Jack, come here.
You look like a happy person.
My back fucking killing me.
Where's my drink? Is this my drink?
No, that's not your drink.
Oh, really?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh, so yeah, Capital One called. Now here's like music in the background. So I guess they put us on hold.
No. I know why they did that.
It's like call, but then put on hold.
But I'm not gonna say it out loud because Mom's giving me this look like she's gonna backslap me at any time, so. She used to be so wholesome. My city cursed his bell used to be so buffy. Now it's getting old, or he's starting to go beer gut. So is Jess.
What?
I made up a little part of a song about your brother.
What? I don't remember how to do it now.
Do
Do what?
How do you block a number?
Star 67.
That's what I just did, and it just went beep beep beep.
It's supposed to. Excuse me.
Does it do the last?
Are you trying to
number?
call someone and block your number?
No,
while calling?
it's going to do the last number that just called me. Is that what it's going to do?
No.
No, I don't want
Star
to
67
block
blocks
my
your number.
I want to block
Oh, I don't
the
know.
800 numbers.
You gotta go right online and do
No.
that shit. I don't know. I'm just saying.
Most likely either that or call in the.
Yes, yes.
Well, who does the phone?
CenturyLink.
CenturyLink.
Don't put this video on there.
It will go on YouTube. It will go on YouTube.
Don't put it on Facebook either.
Why?
Because I wasn't ready to make a video yet.
But it is going to go on YouTube.
For what?
It's one of her blogs. It's blog number
My
7.
vlog. I make vlogs. You haven't watched my vlogs? Oh, she's got to watch my vlogs.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Say bye, Mom.
Bye.